In Australia, you can celebrate the holidays at the beach. That's because December marks the start of summer, and June marks the start of winter. Australia is located in the southern hemisphere, so the seasons are opposite of what they are in the northern hemisphere. Pretty cool, right? G'day, mate. I'm Linda, and that's how some people greet each other down under. Australia is located on the bottom part of the globe, and that's why people say it's down under. The country is completely surrounded by water. On land, you'll find kangaroos, red rocks, and a fun instrument called a didgeridoo. And get this, Australia is the name of both a continent and a country. Let's take a dive off of Australia's coast and visit the Great Barrier Reef. This incredible ecosystem has more than 600 types of coral species and lots of colorful characters. Oh hey little guy, that's a raccoon butterfly fish. This underwater paradise is as big as the country of Italy and is home to more than 1,600 species of fish. All right, back to dry land now, because the next thing I want to tell you about flies through the air. It's not a bird, it's not a plane, it's a boomerang. Boomerangs were invented by the native Aboriginals of Australia thousands of years ago. Skilled hunters use this angled stick for hunting prey from far away. Some of these Aboriginal tribes are from a place called the Outback, which is a desert away from the coastal towns and cities. Another resident of the Outback is the kangaroo. Did you know that kangaroos are known for their boxing skills? When they get in a scuffle, they use their arms to punch and their legs to kick. Sometimes they kick with both legs at the same time and use their tails for balance. There's a lot of cool critters in the Outback, like thorny devils, dingoes, and even camels. There's plenty of room for these creatures to wander. The Outback is so big, more than half of Europe could fit inside of it. You can even see it from space. Do you see all of that red coloring? That's the Outback. The dirt in this desert is red. This is thanks to something called oxidation, a chemical reaction that causes the rocks here to rust, just like some metals can rust. This kind of dirt is perfect for forming opals, which are rare gemstones. In fact, Australia produces 95% of the world's opals. The Outback really is a diamond in the rough. Or I guess I should say, an opal in the rough. From the desert to the coasts, Australia has tons of exciting places to explore and awesome animals to see. If you want to learn more about Australia, make sure to check out KiwiCo's Atlas Crate line, made in part by me. With Atlas Crates, you'll learn about a different country every month. You'll get to know the culture with hands-on projects and taste the local food with a traditional recipe. Check out KiwiCo.com to get your crates and start exploring.